Hey guys and gals, back here to finish this little review of this kit up. And like I says, you're getting a lot of plastic in this box for pay. And you know, it's not like some kits where you get a few pieces of plastic and you got a lot of air and plastic bags in the kit. This kit is well worth it and everything. This is the instructions you get with it, just a little fold out one-page deal. Not a whole lot, pretty much self-explanatory, really not no writing up what goes to what. It's all numbered, pretty much arrows pointing to where it goes, no paint callouts. So it's pretty much however you paint it, there's no really right or wrong way, you know. It's up to the individual and stuff, depending on what you want it to look like and everything, and all that. And then on the back, they show you the couple parts of the box. There's a one of the sides of the box. You can cut that out and place it in front of the diorama. It's got people running and stuff like that. I don't know if I'll be using that. I may use the background piece though, the back of the box. But anyway, they give you a nice little story here all about the Japanese gentleman Ishiro Honda and Toho Company Limited introduced originally it was called Godzilla, a somber black and white film that tells a century tale back in 1954, and then in 1956 it was introduced into the United States, the American version, and that's when they renamed it Godzilla, and they added Raymond Burr into the role of the newsman to help narrate the storyline and all that. So it gives you a nice little rundown of the history of the movie and stuff. So it's pretty cool and stuff, and like I said, it's a nice kit. And being that this is they just released the new Godzilla King of the Monsters movie stuff. It was it's I think some places it's still on the shows too, but nowadays Blu-rays and stuff, man, it comes out just as quick as it hits the shows. I mean, sometimes the movies are still on the shows and they release them and stuff. So but anyway, I thought I'd share this with you and all that. And I think being that the movie's pretty fresh right now, and this is the anniversary, 65 years, before I get back into building some more sci-fi kits and finishing up some different projects, dioramas I got, I think I'm going to go at it and build this. I'll probably get the Godzilla himself assembled before paint and show you guys, so you guys kind of got an idea just how big this beast is and stuff. And this is going to take up as much real estate as the big Enterprise kits and stuff like that. So but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope this video was helpful to you and all that. And we're going to call this one the end, the quits and all that. And hopefully in the next day or so we'll be back and I'll show you the built up Godzilla, you know, before it goes to paint. And I'm not going to do a whole build thing because I'm going to play around with the base and add some details and some lighting and stuff to give it some cool effect and all that, and all that. But I'll bring back the assembled Godzilla model possibly tomorrow or something, just so you guys got an idea how big this kit is for anybody that might be interested in picking it up and stuff. So I think it's well worth it. It's decent. Maybe in the future around two will pop some of the other monsters from the Godzilla movies like Ghidorah and you know, all that stuff. So that would be pretty cool to see some of those kits and kind of have a whole little, you know, group the Godzilla movie display, you know, the different monsters and stuff like that. But if not, this is still pretty cool. I think it's great. And I know they got some higher end resin kits and stuff like that that they had at Wonderfest and stuff. Some of them quite a few $100 and everything, and more of those are depicted on the new version of Godzilla, the more sleeker head and everything. But I think the original's pretty cool and stuff. So we'll be talking to you soon. So thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful to all you guys that might be interested in this kit. And we'll be coming back at you real soon here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your nice comments. Thanks for hitting the like button. And we'll talk to you soon. Till the next time, happy modeling, and we'll see you. Bye.